The Spotube Error 400 Authentication Error typically occurs when there is an issue with the credentials or token used to authenticate Spotube. Here's how you can try to resolve it. 1. Check Spotify login credentials. Ensure that your Spotify login credentials, username and password, are correct. If you are using an OAuth token or API key, verify that it is still valid and hasn't expired. 2. Re-login or re-authenticate. If you're logged in with Spotify, try logging out and then logging back in again to refresh your authentication. If you are using OAuth, try to get a new token and re-authenticate. 3. Clear cache and cookies, if applicable. If you are using Spotube through a browser or a client with cached data, try clearing the cache and cookies, as corrupted or outdated cached data can cause errors. In a terminal, if Spotube is a CLI, try clearing any local stored tokens or session data. 4. Check for app updates. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Spotube. Sometimes, these types of errors are fixed in newer versions. Update the Spotube app or check for any available patches that might address this issue. 5. Reinstall Spotube. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling Spotube and reinstalling it. This can help in case the installation files are corrupted. 6. Check for server issues. Occasionally, Spotify's servers can experience downtime or issues that might affect authentication. You can check Spotify's status page or Twitter for any ongoing problems. 7. Review logs or error messages. Look for detailed error logs or messages that might give you more context about the authentication issue. Spotube may provide logs or error codes that help pinpoint the exact problem. Let me know if you'd like more specific help based on your setup.